to grocery shopping. This is my outfit. No, you can't see. Yeah. Grocery shopping outfit. So. To tell you something. This vlog was nakakapagod pala. Like every single like especially boring yung buhay ko. So ano yun? Basta sabihin ko. Ito na nga. Sasabihin ko is ano yung Q&A ko next video na lang. I just wanna say sorry if my videos are so boring. Boring naman talaga siya. Ninaubo pa ako. So, yun lang.